Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively sell keypad phones. To begin, focus on understanding your customer's needs. Many buyers seek a reliable, straightforward device for communication without the complexities of a smartphone. Emphasize the robust build quality and the impressive battery life, often lasting several days on a single charge. These devices offer a refreshing break from constant digital distractions, appealing to a growing segment of the market. Identifying your niche market is crucial for successful sales. Consider seniors who appreciate the ease of use and physical buttons, making calls and texts simple. Also, target outdoor enthusiasts or workers needing a rugged, long-lasting device for demanding environments. Furthermore, appeal to the growing number of people who want to reduce screen time and embrace a more focused, less distracted lifestyle. When selling, emphasize the core benefits that set keypad phones apart. Their battery life is a major draw, frequently offering 5 to 7 days of usage from a single charge. Durability is another key factor. These phones are often built to withstand drops and splashes, making them incredibly reliable. The simple, intuitive interface ensures ease of use for making calls and sending texts without overwhelming features. To implement effective sales strategies, demonstrate the phone's physical attributes, such as large, easy-to-press buttons and clear, readable screens. Position these devices as an affordable alternative, with many models priced between $20 and $50. Offer personalized customer service, including quick setup guides and basic usage tips. This approach builds trust and ensures customer satisfaction, leading to repeat business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.